here, Scout. Let up. Scout, come here. Let up. Come on, let up. Come on, let up. Good boy. Scout, are we going to the store? Are we going to the store? Alrighty, I just made it to the store. This morning I didn't go to church. I had my alarm turned off and didn't go to church this morning because I still was feeling really tired and not quite myself from being sick Friday night and Saturday, yesterday. So I did not go to church, but this afternoon I'm feeling quite a bit better, so I decided to bring Scout to the store so that we can pick out some new toys for him. He lost his ball, and so we have to buy a new ball. And yeah, so we're gonna go in. What do you think, Scout? What do you think? Do you want a jingle ball? Scout, should we pick out a new toy? Hmm? This ball? Do you like that? Hmm? Leave it. Leave it. A loud noise, huh? Come. Sit. Come. Sit. Good boy. I silenced it for his protection, but here a guy was asking me why he was wearing a muzzle, and I explained to him that it's not actually muzzle, it's just a head halter, and he can open his mouth as wide as he wants, and it doesn't prevent him from anything that a muzzle would prevent him from doing. And it's just to keep him from pulling on the leash and makes it easier to walk him. Alright, we just got back in the car from going in the store, and we got 3 different balls for him to play with, and they're 3 different kinds. I got him this little blue ball that he can play with. I could put treats in, and I got just a regular tennis ball, and I also got this fun looking tire ball, and it's got a bell inside so it jingles, so hopefully he'll like these. Scout did okay in the store. He didn't like totally freak out, but he was a little nervous and did shake some, so I think we need to do more of coming out so he can get better acclimated to doing things, because I don't want him to be scared of going places. So there he is, sitting proudly in the back seat. You see the little chain on the seat back there. That does just a little safety measure so that if I were to get in an accident, he doesn't go flying through the car. And that chain is hooked to his harness he's wearing. Did you see a car, huh? All right, we are going to head home now. You keep losing it. Yeah, you do. Is it because it's too light colored for the snow? Tank, drop.
Drop. Tank, drop. Good boy.
Even though I technically bought these toys for Scout, I do let Tank play with Scout's toys, and I do buy Tough Chewer toys. Even though Scout's not a tough chewer necessarily, Tank is. And I want Tank to be able to play with Scout's toys so there's not possessiveness over toys. So even though they're technically Scout's toys, I do let Tank play with them. Alright, Tank, drop.
Tank, drop. No. Tank, drop.
And Tank does not listen to drop as well as Scout does. As you can tell. Tank, Scout, where's your tennis ball, huh? Where'd your tennis ball go? Scout, look, it's right here. Get it. Get it. Help me throw it. Good boy. Drop.